Imagine this. There is a place in the universe where even light cannot escape. A region so dark, so powerful, that once something crosses its boundary, no signal, no sound, no information ever returns. That place is called a black hole. Many people imagine it as a giant hole in space, but it's not an empty gap. It's an incredibly dense object packed with so much mass that its gravity bends space and time itself. Black holes are born when a massive star reaches the end of its life. After burning for millions of years, its fuel finally runs out. Without energy to support it, the star collapses under its own immense weight. A massive explosion follows, a supernova. And what remains at the core can become a black hole. But here's the mystery. What truly lies beyond that invisible boundary? Is it destruction or something we still don't understand?
Around every black hole, there is an invisible boundary. It's called the event horizon. Once anything crosses this line, there is no coming back. Not even light can escape. Now imagine watching from a safe distance. You see something slowly drifting closer and closer to the black hole. From your point of view, it appears to slow down, almost freeze in time. But it never truly stops. Its light simply can no longer reach you. The event horizon is that final edge, the point where the physics we understand begins to break down. And beyond that boundary, the story remains unknown.
Now imagine this. You accidentally drift too close to a black hole. At first, you might not feel anything, but as you move closer, its gravity becomes overwhelming. The pull on your feet would be much stronger than on your head. Your body would start to stretch longer and longer. Scientists call this spaghettification. You wouldn't simply fall in, you'd be torn apart, reduced to atoms and particles. And in that moment, your existence as a human would come to an end.
The strangest thing about a black hole is not just its gravity, it's time. Einstein's theory tells us the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. If you were watching from far away, someone falling into a black hole would appear to slow down, almost frozen at the edge. But from their own perspective, time would feel completely normal. The same event, two completely different experiences. Time doesn't actually stop there. It bends, it stretches, and that distortion is far beyond our everyday understanding.
Now comes the biggest question. What's actually inside? Scientists believe at the very center there may be something called a singularity, a single point where mass becomes almost infinite, density beyond imagination, and every equation we know simply breaks down. In that place, time and space may no longer behave the way we understand them. And here's the most mysterious part. No one who has crossed inside has ever come back to tell the story. That's why, even today, black holes remain the quietest and deepest mysteries of our universe. Maybe one day we'll uncover the truth, but for now, it remains unknown.